Hello, hello. This beautiful Kashan Persian rug came to me all the way from South Carolina. Look how many colors combined together. How many colors? Red, blue, and light yellow or beige color. To clean this rug and remove the two Yorkie pee-pee, I have to use a special cleaning process. And the person from South Carolina would love to see the video how I clean, how I wash the rug from the Yorkie pee-pee. So I open the rug and I put it on the vacuum floor machine. Then I construct this floor by myself, solitary. Please take a look what I am doing with my cleaning process. I would like to show you my cleaning process, the cleaning process that I invented. The minerals from the Dead Sea that's cleaning this rug. Take a look what I'm doing. This is the banana. It's the first time in my life that I'm eating a banana with vinegar and blended minerals from the Dead Sea. Healthy, environment, safe, eatable. They taste horrible. I hate the taste, but this is how I clean your rug. PetPeePee, a cleaning process that makes sense. Let me show you how I clean this rug.
My dog peed on the carpet and I don't know what to do. My mother said PetPeePee works and it guarantees it too. PetPeePee.
An educated consumer is my best customer. I love to show how I clean the rug without all the soap, the scrubber, the centrifuge machine, and all the carpet cleaner equipment. I clean your Oriental rug using natural cleaning product. Then it's not a soap, because when you flood your Oriental rug with a cleaning product that contains soap, the challenge is to remove this enzyme soap. Enzyme, it's a fancy word for soap, detergent. And when you apply soap on pee-pee, the result will be a pee-pee soap. And the smell of the vanilla deodorize will drive you crazy because it's blended with the residue of the pee-pee, and it's become smelly like a pee-pee vanilla, and your wife already running to the lawyer looking for divorce. So before your wife will start running to the lawyer, take a look how PetPeePee clean Oriental rug. Never deodorize, no chemical, healthy. Healthy because I hate chemicals. I hate all of those cleaning products that belong to the carpet cleaner industry, and many carpet cleaner uses on this beautiful rug and make the color run. So my cleaning process guarantee color will never run. Take a look. Listen how the vacuum working with the cleaning process. After many times, then the cleaning process went through the rug and vacuumed through the rug. I vacuumed the rug by hand and let it stay on the floor flat. No movement, because this is the critical time. If you move the rug, the color will run. For this reason, I leave the rug on the floor till tomorrow. The next day, then I come to the warehouse and I inspect the rug for odor by going on my knees and smell the rug. Take a look. No color on, no fuzziness. Amazing. Thank you for watching. As a wildlife photographer, my artwork now display on 500px. I am originally a wildlife photographer that's published the book Desert Birds of Israel in 1986. Today, my artwork display on 500px can be purchased to decorate your office or your home. Thank you very much for watching the PetPeePee Oriental Rug Cleaning and Mayor Martin Surreal or Real, my artwork. Thank you.